यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद निकेतन में स्वागत है। और आज हम इस वीडियो में सेम आपका सेल बायोलॉजी का जो सेल साइकिल चल रहा था उसका थर्ड पॉइंट स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है इसका? ग्रोथ फैक्टर कैन स्टिमुलेट सेल्स टू डिवाइड। ओके, so in the first point is that cyclin CDK complex provide internal control for cell cycle decision. Okay, so the CDK complex is provide to the cell cycle decision. Cells in a multicellular organism must divide only when appropriate. They must respond to external signals and the controls. This is called growth factors. Okay, what is called? This is called growth factors. Some cells respond to growth factors provided by other cells. Okay, and then cancer cells cycle inappropriately because they either make their own growth factors or require them to start cycling. Okay, what is starting them? They are requiring to them to start as a cycling. This is called cell cycling with the help of cancer cells. Next is the fourth point of this: regulation of the cell cycle. Regulation of the cell cycle. Okay, so the first point is that cell cycle is a driven by specific chemical signals in the cytoplasm. Okay, this is the driven by specific chemical signals in the cytoplasm, and the M phase cells that are the fused with any other phase cells, and the latter cell is the antimitosis, and the cell cycle is control system. Okay, the cell cycle control system is triggers and the coordinates key events in the cell cycle. And the next cell cycle checkpoints act as state and co-signals. Three major checkpoints found in G1, G2 and M phase. Okay, so it is a point is that G1 is a critical checkpoint. Okay, there is a three types of G1, G2 and M phase, and G1 is a critical checkpoint. Its cells make it the part G1. The entire cell cycle is a complicated. The B point is non-dividing cells are in GO, G0 state भी बोलते हैं इसे. And the functionals in cell cycle control molecules abundance and the activity controlled by the cell cycle. And there is a one thing is that internal and external cues regulate cell cycle internal signals. Delays start to anaphase. Anaphase means is to the anaphase is to call separation of chromosome. Okay, so the separation of chromosome is called anaphase. Until all kinetochores attached to the spindle fibers. Growth factors are external signals that stimulate cell to divide. Cancer cells have escaped cell cycle control, and the cancer cells here is some points up to the escape of the cell cycle control. And the first one is cell cycle control don't exhibit density dependent inhibition. Cell cycle don't stop growing, but growth factor is depleted, and cell cycle stop at random points in the cell cycle. Okay friends, if you like this video, so please don't forget to share, subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet soon.